On how to read and write files. So in Python, there's a special keyword, the open keyword, which will let you open a file. I'll show you the prompt first. So if I just said open foo.txt for writing, you'll notice right away foo.txt appeared, and I created an open file object. Unfortunately, I didn't save it in a variable, so I can't possibly write to it. So let's try that again. This time I'm going to say f equals open foo.txt for writing. Now I have that file wrapper, and I can say f.write hello world. Notice f.write actually returns a value you might not have known. I think that's probably how far into the file I am. Let's see, f.write. I'm going to ask for help. Returns the number of characters written, which is the length of the string, writes text to the stream. So there we go. I can write more to it if I want. Also, hello again. f.write, goodbye now. Now the last thing I'm supposed to do is say f.close. I'll show you a handy way to do that in a second. f.close. Now if I come to foo.txt, there's all my text. Hello world, also hello again, goodbye now. Notice the text is just smashed right together. Nothing between it. All right, so that's the quick way to write a file. It's important to always close a file when you're done. Python has a very convenient keyword that lets you do this. They have a with operator. The only time we'll use with probably this entire year is with open. So I'll show you how this works. What you do is you say with open, and then you give it a name. So we'll use foo again, foo.textWrite. As, and then you give it the variable. So we could say as f for file, or whatever you want to call it. Hello world. And then we're done. So I'll show you. Foo.txt, hello world. That's all we did. What this did is it opened the file. It saved it in the variable f. It used the file, and then when it was done, it closed f. So let me show you what would happen, hello again. If I write hello after this, I get an error because the file has been closed. So you're not allowed to write to a closed file. It's important that computers keep track of which files are open and which are closed and who's writing to them so that multiple programs don't overwrite the same files. All right, so that's the writing mode. We can do something very similar with an R keyword instead of a W for the reading mode. So I'll say f.read. I'll save that in the variable, and then the first bit. I'm not going to print the whole thing because it's really big, so I'm going to use the slice operator to get the first 30 letters. Print that. The Sonnets by William Shakespeare. All right. So that worked. I read it. Also very convenient is you can use read lines to get a list of the lines. And then you can say for line and read lines. Print line. And I don't want to print the whole thing, so I'm just going to make a counter. And all right, so what I just did is I said, let's make a counter, set it to 0, loop through the lines. If it's divisible by 10, we'll print the line, the first 20 characters of the line out, and then roll up. So this will now print every 20th line. I actually printed more than I meant to. There, that'll print every 10th. Okay, that's better. All right, very nice. So that's reading and writing files. Very quick. Open there.